Hey guys, I didn't show you how to tear down the motor last time, or the engine. I call them motors. That's what it is, a motor. Makes the car go. This is the new, old D16a6. Can you see it? Yeah. Alright. I think this motor had, I think you said about 180, close to 200,000 miles on it. I done got everything off of it. This is the main build part. Is what I'm after to show you guys. I'm going to turn this beast over. This baby's heavy, I know that. Well, it's not really that heavy. There we go. I mean, you know, it's been old, dual change, they said. I mean, I don't know. The guy I bought it from said that he got it out of a CRX 91 SI. That record service man picked the car up and, you know, towed it in, and nobody ever came to claim it. So, he took the motor out of the car, I guess, and did a swap and all that. Probably put a B16 in it, I'd say, at the time, because this is back in the day, because this motor's been sitting for 4 years in his garage there. But it looks pretty, I mean, it looks in good shape. But what we'll do is we'll take this thing off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ah, shit. I didn't show you. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over here. And then we'll go 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll do a crisscross back and forth, starting in the middle kind of deal. Kind of like the head, I guess. But yeah, that's it. I'll do that. And I'll get back to you. Alright, got the bolts loose. Just make sure they're loose here. It's aggravating holding this camera. Well, it's my phone really. I'm trying to do this, but this is, I don't think I've seen too many videos of these D16s that show you how to really do this. There's one on there that I've seen, but they don't show you nothing that's going off before they can even get you through anything. We'll see if we can get through the whole thing here. It shouldn't take much longer. This is just the main build part. I've done took everything else off of this thing, which ain't hard. Y'all should be, I mean, anybody with common sense should be able to do this pretty simply. It's not hard. Alright, now we got to take something and peck it to break it loose. I'll get my trusty 3-pound hammer, and we'll just give it a little tap. Don't tap it hard, just enough to break it. I think that does it. Nope, didn't do it. It sure is moving. Let's see what that done. That should have broke it loose right there. Oh yeah. Okay. Well, here it comes. Now, you got your girdle. Let me go set this over here so I don't drop anything off of it, like piston bearings. I'm crazy. Where am I gonna put it at? Here's the table. I've got so much shit. There we go. Get back over here to it. Here it is. These two end bearings, they always stay in there for some reason. Wow. They're in great shape. I mean, can you see that? Let me wipe it off. These are in good shape. The bearings are. Look at that. Hell, they look brand new. I'd say these are just old stock Honda bearings. This stupid phone. Them look good, don't they? I mean, shit. Okay, anyways. Now on with the rest of the process here. I'll wipe everything down good. These are cross-cut too. I didn't think these cranks come cross-drilled already. I guess they no, I didn't cross-drilled. What is that? I don't know what it is. It might be. Another bearing on this side. Go ahead and put these over here with the thing. The thing. Let's see. I think this one goes on this side. I always try to keep everything with everything. You take it apart and try to number everything. Where everything come out of. I mean, I'm not going to put... Only thing I'm going to be putting in this thing is... Well, I'm not going to be using nothing really but that girdle. I've got a new crank, new pistons, rods, all that stuff. It's all good stuff too. SRP, Eagle. No, I think it's a nipping crank. No, it ain't a nipping crank. I don't know what it is. I know it costs a pretty good bit of money, so we wipe everything down. I might use this crank. I may just do that because it just well, hell, all the bearings. Some of them stayed in here. There's another good one. Well, I mean, I guess you could just lay the bearings wherever because you're going to be putting new ones in, so it really don't matter. I like to keep stuff with everything, but sometimes you can't. Get a screwdriver here. Oh, where's my screwdriver?